Good morning. Welcome to NIFTY prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for educational and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for today. Today's data, it is showing no warning signal, but indications are showing mixed with three bearish and one bullish. So we must have to play once again with the hedging method. But there is no new downside target opened yesterday. Still the same old pending target on the positive side for weekly, but we're still focusing on the downside around 16,912 range because of the data is very much poised because whenever it is getting close on the downside, but still the monthly will automatically get open. So we still need to play cautiously. Let's go to the support and resistance level. Anything above volatile level 1, 17,319, which is in the bullish zone. If it is pre-opening or opening above this level, you can take one hero zero call in the call option side. Likewise, the same anything below the volatile 2, which is 17,229, below this level, which is in the bearish zone. If pre-opening is below this level, means you can take one lot put option as a hero zero. But if pre-opening is in the volatile zone, you must have to go with the edging method. For example, anything opens in between this volatile level 1 and volatile level 2. If pre-opening is in between those two level means you must have to go with the hedging method because how the market will react, whether it is going to keep the high in between plus 10 point in this level, it is going to fall. So whether it is going to keep this inside high and or this minus 10 points is volatile stop loss for the bullish, whether it is going to keep low inside and go towards the bullish, we may not know. So if pre-opening is in between those two levels, you must have to go with the hedging method. But if pre-opening is above this level, you can, if pre-opening is above that level means you can take chances, but you need to take it as a hero zero. Why? Because the data is mixed. So we need to watch out how the pre-opening is going to be. If it is in between these two levels, must have to go with the hedging method. Small and safe traders play safe today. Why? Because the premium erosion will happen if it is opens in between these two levels. Why? Because the normally what happens is if pre-opening inside this volatile level 1 and volatile level 2, what happens is if even if you are buying hedging method, for example, I'm saying 50 points and 50 points both side call option and put option, if you are buying, what happens is the erosion on the both side, it will go down 10 points easily. You can make a loss of 1000 rupees. So it will come down both sides, and because of the market will oscillate in between flat kind of range. If it is goes bullish like 124, and if it is come down bearish 150 something like that, as per the positive average and negative average, then you will get chances. But if you forgot to exit with the profit, what happens is after showing 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees profit, it will easily come down from the profit level to negative side, around 1000 rupees, just like that within a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So you need to play much more cautiously today. Whatever the profit you are getting, you need to exit with 30% minimum profit size. For example, if you are buying 100 points in a single side, you are taking chances. If it is goes up 100 to 130, then you need to book profit here, or you need to keep stop loss in the cost for a higher profit. If you are expecting more profit after reaching 130, you are expecting 150 to 1 something like that, means you need to trade with the stop loss and the cost price if you are trading in single side. But we are not advising to trade single side today. Why? Because the data is still mixed and still it has potential to go down as well. For the downside, which is average is there around 155, so well equally poised, and we have a 80% target in the downside as well today. Specifically for today, this particular target is opening with the condition is minimum Nifty must have to be open in the negative. Pre-opening must have to be in the negative. Then this target is getting activated 17,149.94. If pre-opening is not in the negative, if pre-opening is in the positive, even 1 point means this chances to hit become 50-50. So if pre-opening is in the negative means the chances are 80-20. So that is the reason we are calling it as 80% because out of 10 days, 8 days, if pre-opening is supporting this target, because the target is in the negative side, so pre-opening must have to be in the negative, which means supporting the target. So 80% of the time the target is getting it. We have saw so many times. So that is also one of the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method as well today. Why? Because uh, the data, if it is open, so I'm telling about if pre-opening is in between 17 points minus and 32 points minus, it is in the volatile zone. So pre-opening is in the volatile zone, whether it is going to keep this low and go high or keep this high and go low, we may not know at this point of time. So we are asking to go for edging method, and the advisable to go is 80 points in the call option, 80 points in the put option. This is advisable to go, but but still you need to play cautiously. Once you get the profit, you need to book, otherwise it will eat your money. So once if it is trending means it will go one sided towards to any level as well. And even 50-50 points also you can take, but the risk what it has in the both combinations, if you forget to book the profit once it is reaching within a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, for example, if market is goes down and creating a profit in the put option side and the call option side, small loss. But if you forget to book the profit after reaching 80 points, if it is recovering just 10 points, means the straight away the put option profits will come down just like that anything. So you will end up with a loss. Even the combination also not work. So you need to play cautiously today as well. And other data which shows that par value, anything below the par value, if the pre-opening is below this level means Nifty will try to go down to 16,850. So watch out the pre-opening where it is going to open. If pre-opening is above this level 80 points, then Nifty will try to go up towards to 17,919. So the data what we have is that for a weekly we still have only the positive target for the weekly, but we have no negative side target. So one lot call option you can take it as a hero zero. For example, if you buy 10 points as a hero 500 is the maximum risk involved. If it is goes bullish and reaching this level means this 10 might give you enough profit, some 200 300 points. But the point is that if it is goes down, the market is goes down towards to 80% target, which is 17,150 range, then what happens is this will go to zero. But and still Nifty has potential to go minimum 16,900 range also, because there is no weekly target, so the monthly target automatically gets open. So you must have to trade with the hedging method as well. So pre-opening is very much important today. And the other data what it shows, Nifty anything opens below the 17,303, Nifty always try to go down. Anything in between plus to 85 points, Nifty will struggle. It will eat the premium. So watch out those in between. If it is trading means better stay cautiously, play. Even avoid trading is also advisable, or playing risky is up to your appetite. At the same time, you need to book profit every now and then. If it is reaching 30% is always advisable today, otherwise it will eat your money. Anything above 17,389, then only the bullish will take control. So play safe today. It is not going to be easy to trade just like that yesterday. Even in combination also having potential to give a loss. So much more cautiously play, better play with the hero zero. Let's go to the summary. And before that, going to the summary, I would like to show you the yesterday how the data has worked. Um, Yesterday, the high is 17,440.45 and low is 17,255.20. Why it has started to fall down from 17,440.45? The basic rule is for the fall, plus 10 points from any level, minus 3 points is the perfect range. And this is called 3-point perfect range for the bearish. So perfect range is minus 3, and stop loss. This is the stop loss range. So stop loss, any level, any given level, if it is matching this, it will start to fall down high. So high we need to check out. High we need to check out with this plus 10 points and minus 10 points perfect range, and the likewise the low we need to check out with the plus 3-point perfect range, minus 10 points stop loss range. This is the basic rule for any data, perfect range and stop loss range. So if it is matching, then automatically we can go for a buy with a stop loss of that particular level. So 17,440.45 we need to check out in our data. So remember this particular method, because our method is unique and it is always works. So what happened yesterday? Nifty Nifty is not able to break that particular level, 17,441. So plus 10 points is also matching, not able to break, and minus 3 point for perfect range inside it has came. So high is 17,440 and it has kept. So if you add a minus subtract this particular level means it will give you 17,438.40, so which came inside that particular level, and stop loss plus 10 points which is not broken, so Nifty started to fall down. And as we knew, this particular level is the volatile stop loss for the bullish, so it is not also broken, and the lower side we have 17,255, which is above this level. We have so many levels for the stop loss, plus 10 point minus 10 points for the low, so plus 3 points. So this above particular level also it has matched with the frequency average level, so which means Nifty kept the 3-point perfect range on the lower side. So that is the reason it's not able to break further. So it has matched with our data perfectly, as well as we told one bullish warning signal comes when initially it will go up, then after the later stage it will fall down. That is what happened yesterday also. So buy on raise we have given yesterday. So if anyone bought it like buy on raise on the put option side, you would have made profit. So our method is unique. So this method, if you follow, you will get good results. Let's go to the uh, summary. We have one bullish indication with three bearish indicators. No warning signal, but this data as a record of going against the bearish also. One bullish only, but still Nifty has potential to go bullish. So one call option can take as a hero zero. That is what I told. Minimum 10 points call option can take it as a hero zero, because we have saw so many times in these kind of data one bullish and three bearish indicators still has a potential to go bullish, but it has to be treated as a hero zero, that we need to remember. But this is the 80% day target which is in the 17,149.94, but the condition is Nifty must have to open, pre-open must have to be in the negative minimum, then only it will get open. So 80% success ratio is there, 20% failure ratio if it is opens like that. But if it is opens in the positive, then the success ratio is 50-50 and failure ratio is also 50-50. And we have two negative, sorry, positive side target on the 17,624 and 18,024 level. So which means that is the reason we are asking to go for a one small call option, hero zero. If it is goes bullish towards these two levels, then this trend will give you ample amount of profit. The positive side average, which is 124, negative side average is 155. Still decent numbers on the both side, around 270 5 points plus range, both together. So you must have to play cautiously once again with the edging method if pre-opening is in the volatile zone. And the par value, anything above this level, Nifty will try to go towards to 17,900. Anything below this level, Nifty will try to go 16,850. So which is handy. If pre-opening is below this level, means still has potential to go 16,850. That is the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method as well. Still, hedging method is also having chances to give losses today, so that is the reason we need to play much more cautiously. And the par CPR level is bearish. Once again, we had a flat CPR, which means irrespective of the side, still Nifty has potential to go bullish or bearish with a trending day as per CPR. It is not with our prediction, but it is as per the CPR. We are adding this as a value add-on rule. So we are also following the CPR as well. So conclusion is you must have to go with the edging method today to play safe. And if it is pre-opening is in the negative side, means you can go for a downside target 17,149, that need to be played as a hero zero as well, because sometimes it still has a chances to go 20% failure ratio. So this is the conclusion. Let's see how the market is going to give us on today. Thank you.